Good day, amazing viewers. You're welcome to another session on Mczaines Learning Space. Thank you for joining me. So today, we're going to look at another interesting topic today, mean, median, mode, and range. These concepts, they are part of the concept in a large area of mathematics known as statistics. So I'm going to solve these questions looking at mean, median, mode, and range. So please follow me as we go through. So number one, I will write out the numbers. 1. We have 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 7. So to find the mean, which is the first one, Roman figure 1, how do I get the mean? Mean, the symbol for mean is X bar. At this level, the symbol for mean is X bar. So, to find mean simply means sum of all the numbers, sum of all the numbers, okay, over number of data. So, how many data do you have in unit count? So here, to get the sum, we're going to have 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. Okay? All over, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So please, do the addition of all these numbers. What's the addition? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus, that is 10 plus this, 14. 14 plus this, 21. So 21 all over 7. So how many times will 7 go in 21? That is 3. So the answer is 3. So my mean is 3. So the mean is 3 for these sets of numbers. Roman figure 2, median. Median. What is median? Median means the value in the middle in a set of numbers. The value in the middle in a set of numbers. When the numbers are arranged in ascending order or descending order. So, for you to find mean, you pick the number in the middle after you have arranged your numbers in ascending order or descending order. Okay? So, let's arrange these numbers in ascending order from the smallest to the highest. So, I'll pick 1, then 2, 2 again, another 2, okay, 3, 4, 7. Okay, so let me count. So my numbers are complete. So which number appears in the middle? Which number appears in the middle? This particular number is the one that appears in the middle. So the median is equal to 2. As simple as that. The number in the middle, median, is equal to 2. Very easy. So number 3. Roman figure 3. Mode. How do I get mode? Mode means the value with the highest occurrence. Mode means the value with the highest occurrence. The number that occurs most. The number that has the highest appearances. Okay? So which number has the highest appearances here? 2. 2 appears here, here, and here. So it has the highest number. So the mode is equal to 2. Mode is 2 because it occurs most. You're not going to write 3. The answer is 2. 2 is the number that occurs most. So the mode is 2. Then lastly, Roman figure 4, range. What is range? Range is highest value minus lowest value. So please take note. Whenever you ask to find mode, it means highest value minus lowest value. So, excuse me. So from here, what is the highest value? 7 minus, what's the lowest value? 1. So the answer here is what? 6. As simple as that. So that is the mode. That is the range. Sorry. Highest value minus lowest value. So, for question number 1, we've done the mean, we've done the median, we've done the mode, we've done the range. So, take note of this. As we continue, question number 2. Question number 2, I'm going to write the question out. So number 2 question, we have 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6. So don't forget, Roman figure 1, we're looking for the mean. As I told you before, symbol is X bar. So at this point, to get the mean, sum all the numbers, divide them by the number of data that you have. So we're going to have here 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6. Please, all over. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over 8. So please do the addition. Add all these numbers. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. So we have 26 all over 8. Now this is a fraction. We can reduce it a little. So let's reduce. Something can divide the two of them without remainder. So what is that? 2. Okay? 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 26, 13. So we have 13 all over 4. So what is 13 over 4? How many times will 4 go in 13? How many times? 3 times. Remaining 1 all over 4. Because 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 13 over 4. You come back here. So that's the answer. 3 number 1 over 4. We can decide to leave the answer in decimal depending on whichever form the examiner or your teacher wants the answer to be left. Now, 1 over 4 is a fraction, a proper fraction. Remember, 1 over 4 is the same thing as 25 over 100. Can you remember? So 25 over 100, what is it? 0.25. So we have 3.25. So either this or this, any of them is correct. Answer. That is the mean. Now, Roman figure 2, we go for the median. What is median? Median means the number in the middle when you have arranged your numbers from the smallest to the highest, ascending order, or from the highest to the smallest, descending order, depending on whichever method you want to use. I prefer from the smallest to the highest. Okay? So let's go. From the smallest to the highest, so I'll pick 1. Next, 1. Which one again? 2. Okay. Next, 4. 3. Thank you. Next, 4. Next, 4. Next, 5. Next, 6. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My numbers are complete. Now, which number appears in the middle? Which number appears in the middle? So in this case, 2 numbers appear in the middle. Look at these 2 numbers. They appear in the middle. So whenever you have 2 numbers in the middle, what you do is that you find their average. Meanwhile, mean is also called average. Take note. Mean is also called average. So when you have 2 numbers in the middle, you find their average. What does it mean? Add the 2 of them and divide by 2. Okay, over 2, which is 7 over 2. And what is 7 over 2? 3 whole number, 1 over 2. That's the answer. Which other way can you leave the answer? Yes, 3.5. 3.5. So you can write it. 3 whole number, 1 over 2 or 3.5. Any of the 2. Correct. Okay. So next, we go for the mode. What is mode? Mode means the number that occurs most, the number with the highest frequency, or the number that has the highest appearances. So from here, which number occurs most? Let's go. Look at which number occurs most. 1 occurs 2 times. 4 equally occurs 2 times. So 2 numbers stand in the place of mode for this problem. So in this case, our mode is equal to 1 and 4. Our mode is 1 and 4. So 2 numbers stand for mode. 1 appears twice. 4 equally appears twice. So the mode here is 1 and 4. So in this case, we call this set of numbers bimodal. Bimodal. Okay? Bimodal. So please take note. Bimodal. Whenever a set of numbers has two modes, we say that that set of numbers is a bimodal set of numbers. Bi means two. When a set of numbers has one mode, we say unimodal. Three modes, trimodal. Okay, so please take notes. So it's correct. It's possible to have two modes in a question. All right, so the next one, Roman figure 4, we need the range. Range means the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Highest value minus lowest value. So what is the range? What's my highest value here? 6 minus, what's the lowest value here? 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. And that's the end of the question. Very easy. Mean, median, mode, and range. I believe when you go through this over and over, it will be a walkover. So thank you for following through. So you're going to do question 3 as your task. So I want to see the solution in the chat box. For any question, please drop it in the chat box. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you.